More than 10 inches of snow have fallen in the US states of Colorado and New Mexico, leaving residents stranded, with the drifts making it impossible to travel. The early season storms have led to several road accidents in both states, but while they freeze in blizzards, in Southern California, wildfires are intensifying following the lethal mix of wind and dry weather. David Harper reports.
And they are going to be measuring snow by the foot.
Unprecedented amounts of snowfall for the month of November.
In the US, they take their weather reports seriously, and in New Mexico and Colorado at the moment, you can see why.
It's a pretty big issue. I mean, I've talked to a couple other drivers while I was here, and we're stuck.
Roads have been blocked and thousands of people have been without power in what has been described as an unprecedented storm. New Mexico's governor has declared an emergency and forecasters have issued a blizzard warning. What's unusual is to have this much snow this early in the season.
I would say this has probably been the most significant snowstorm that we've gotten. The accumulation that we've gotten in such a short time, and how this system is just going to hang around for 3 days straight.
What makes this situation even stranger is that elsewhere in the US, they're facing a very different problem.
2% of the country is in drought. About 6 states have big, large fires going.
We are still tracking some critical fire conditions.
Here in Southern California, it's dry weather that's the issue. Combined with winds, they've given the perfect condition for wildfires. Only now those winds have reduced have firefighters begun to get the situation under control.
Right now our focus is getting that perimeter as controlled as possible and getting this community back in service.
Residents of more than 2,000 homes are still evacuated. At least 132 structures, most of them homes, have been destroyed. It's not just in California. Droughts in the northeast have also brought red flag warnings for fires. North America has always been a place that saw the extreme limits of what weather can inflict. It could now be that those extremes are getting further and further apart. David Harper, ITV News.